Hello, my topic to discuss this week is identifying function as even, odd, or neither. So, there are three factors to address. The first one is even. When f of negative x is equal to f of x, it's even. When f of negative x is equal to negative f of x, it's odd. And when f of negative x is not equal to plus or minus f of x, it's neither. The first example I'll be touching on today is f of x equals 3x to the 6th power minus 5x to the 4th power plus 6x squared minus 1. That's rewritten there. When you plug in negative x into the function, you get 3 times negative x to the 6th power minus 5 times negative x to the 4th power plus 6 times negative x to the 2nd power minus 1. A general rule of thumb is that negative x to the 2nd power is equal to negative 1 squared times x squared. When you multiply two negative numbers together, you get a positive. So that's what it does. You get 3x to the 6th power minus 5x to the 4th power plus 6x squared minus 1, which is equal to the original function. This makes it an even example. The second example is f of x equals negative x to the 7th power plus 8x to the 5th power minus x to the 3rd power plus 6x. It is rewritten there. When you plug negative x into the function, you get negative 1 times negative x to the 7th power plus 8 times negative x to the 5th power minus negative x to the 3rd power plus 6 times negative x. Negative x times 3, for example, is equal to negative 1 to the 3rd power times x to the 3rd power. A general rule of thumb is that when you multiply an x an odd number of times, you get a negative number. When you do that, you get, to all of them, you get x to the 7th power minus 8 times x to the 5th power plus x to the 3rd power minus 6x. It is not equal to the original, but if you look closely, you'll see that it's just the signs that are flipped and all of the numbers are the same. An easy fix for that is to factor out negative 1. That makes the function of negative x equal to the negative function, which means it's an odd. The third example I'll be touching on is 10x to the 3rd power minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 8. That is rewritten. When you plug negative x into the function, you get 10 times negative x to the 3rd minus 4 times negative x to the 2nd power plus 3 times negative x minus 8. Is this one equal to this one? It's not. So on this, my apologies. On this line, it's not equal. So on this one, can we factor out a negative 1? When you look at the signs, it's still not equal, as the negative 8 in the original one becomes a positive. This makes it neither. As a general rule of thumb, if exponents are even, the function's even. If exponents are odd, the function's odd. And if exponents are even and odd, the function is neither even or odd. Thank you.